Get ready. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Who will come to fetch the cash? We shall be at the bank at 2. We know the debt was paid. A check was given to him long ago. We saw them at the shop. They bought a ball for Jack. They got a doll for Anne too. May we have a check for the bag bought on the 10th of May. We know they had a long talk, but we think they will give him no cash. They say Bob owes the debt, but the watch was paid for on the 10th. We think the chalk may damage the bag. No, it will come off. Wash it off. Ask Paul to attach a tag to the top of the bag. We shall check the damage to the boat.